Hello everyone, I'm Morgan from Mirror Edge Networks here in Cape Town, South Africa, and today you join us in Hout Bay. This is a detailed video overview of this hidden media room solution that we've just installed for a client of ours. We had just a few months ago installed this LG TV onto a Vogel's pull and turn TV bracket that could direct the viewing experience to this couch that's in front of me when our client was overseas and had a motorized drop-down projection solution in their hotel villa that they were staying in. They sent me a picture on WhatsApp and asked me if it was something that we could do for them here in Cape Town, and of course my answer was yes. It is a very exciting solution that they had asked me for, and it was pretty easy to accomplish by enlisting the right people to work with and the right team to be able to fulfill their requirements. So what we've done is we've installed a box to the lintel behind me, which houses a motorized drop-down 106-inch projection screen, as well as 3 M&K speakers acting as the LCR. We've installed some speakers at the rear of the room for surround sound, and a Epson TW9400 projector to provide us with the visuals for this room. So I'm going to go through the room and highlight what we've done at the different locations to be able to deliver on an end result that our client is incredibly happy with. So as mentioned, we have had this box custom manufactured by Shane and his team at Field Joiners. They have specially constructed it so that it has a removable plate for each of the speakers, the left, center and right. So we could hang the projection screen in, place the plates into the box enclosure, and then mount the M&K speakers as the LCR into the box. Obviously what they've also done is color matched the paint on the box to the existing paint within the room. And to finish it off, we have acoustically transparent fabric that we usually use in what we call our screen wall constructions to hide the speakers. And they've wrapped the front panel of this box with that same black fabric so that we don't have any degradation of the audio coming through the front fabric while hiding everything away, neatly behind the fabric. At the back of the room, we have the equipment that serves the surround sound experience. Of course, we have the projector up at the top and the Anthem MRX 740 surround sound AVR at the bottom. These are both housed in these timber floating boxes that Shane and his team have built, and once again, like the front of the room, they've color matched them to the walls. In the box that has the Anthem MRX 740, we have an Apple TV, and beneath that we have the MKK V10 plus subwoofer that's providing the low frequency response for this room. A very clean and compact installation, and our client has even placed a pot plant on top of this shelf at the back in the meantime as they start to figure out what sort of decorations they'd like to put around it. I think this is a great testament to the fact that we want our technology to be integrated into our spaces but not dictating them. And in this instance, it's a part of the room that our client is very happy with. It's not like it's an obscurity that's protruding and making it look like an ugly afterthought to this room. We've used the Epson TW9400 projector as our projector for this room because we can get very bright output from it while also being able to maintain accuracy once calibrated. This is a home cinema projector we've used extensively in the past and comes highly recommended. Although it does use a bulb-driven light source instead of the more modern laser-driven light sources, it gives us enough output, and the amount of usable time that we get off each bulb warrants choosing the bulb-driven projector over the laser-driven alternative. We've used an Anthem MRX 740 surround sound AVR in this installation. The Anthem gives us very reliable, high-quality power to all of the amplified channels that it has internally. In this instance, there are 7 amplified channels, and we're using 5 of those, and we know that we're going to get a high quality power output for them. The Anthem also has its special Anthem room correction built into it, and we've used that as our calibration for this room and tweaked after that, and our client has been incredibly happy with the calibrated audio response from the room. The Anthem surround sound AVRs have proven to be incredibly popular for us, as well as being incredibly reliable, and they deliver a great result in our home cinema installations. For our low frequency response in this room, we're using an M&K V10 Plus subwoofer. We've been pleasantly surprised by the amount of bass that this has produced in this room, and we've actually had to dial it down slightly to meet the tastes of our client. This subwoofer has proven to be a great subwoofer for this, and we're very happy with the level of performance that we've been able to reach with it in this room. For our surround speakers, we've used the M&K M50s. These are matched identical to the LCR speakers at the front of the room, and these give us great performance for the surround effects. What we've done is mounted them onto Vogel's wall mount brackets, which are tucked away behind the speakers, and these have enabled us to be able to swivel the speakers to the primary listening position for the best possible performance. So that's a detailed overview of this hidden media room solution that we've delivered for our client here in Hout Bay. As you can see behind me, the image is quite bright and vibrant, and this is at about 6:30 in the evening here in Cape Town. This image doesn't leave you wanting for any better picture quality because of the brightness and the size. Our client has been incredibly happy with what she's experienced over the past few days, and we're very proud of what we've delivered for her. As always, if you'd like to know more detailed information about this installation or would like to contact us for a similar solution, please feel free to get in contact. It's something that my team and I would be happy to design and deliver for you, and we thoroughly enjoy making these sorts of solutions happen. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to this channel. We're shooting videos of our projects frequently and are uploading them to YouTube so we can showcase and share them with everybody. As always, I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you.